YouTube. Happy Thursday. And after I have my coffee and have my breakfast, I gotta go cut a tree limb down off my tree out front because it's dying. Chill out, dog. It's been dying for a while. My wife loves this tree. She's afraid that if we let it go, the tree's gonna end up dying. The branch is pretty much dead for the most part. So we gotta chop it down. I got a chainsaw all ready to go, and it's a big branch. It is rather large. It is if you could see that, okay, that branch all the way up, it's got to come down. That whole chunk all the way up. So man, I gotta get up there. I gotta get up here and start cutting it down. I'll pull it off. It won't be easy. I'll get it done. And then I got another little chunk of branch I gotta cut off too. So our tree doesn't die. We don't want our tree to die. We like our umbrella tree. It shades us and keeps the rain off of us, unless it's raining real hard. And we want to keep our tree around. So in order to do that, we have to take off some branches. But before that happens, we're gonna have coffee because, yeah, that's just what we do. I think we could probably make it through our morning without coffee. Well, I know we could. It wouldn't be a problem. But it's just nice. You wake up, you have your coffee, you get energized for the day. You know. She knows. He knows. You know. I don't know what the hell I'm talking about. Okay. Everybody's doing their list of morning things. I have already finished mine. She must have finished her list of morning things.
Yeah, I gotta feed the dogs.
Oh yeah, gotta feed the dogs so they don't eat us. Alrighty guys, I'm going to fix some coffee. We're going to figure out this breakfast situation, and then we are going to not chop down a tree. No, we're not chopping it down. We're going to take some limbs off a tree, or some branches. So, we'll see how this goes. I'll see you in the next clip. You want this, Chunky? You want this? Here you go. Here you go, dude. It's all yours. Eat up. No, she's not. She's not gonna feed you. I know she does every morning, but I just gave you some. Hey, sir. Look, it's right here. It's right here. I gave it to you. See? I gave it to you. What? It's not the same? I mean, it's the same food. It's the same. Just because she didn't feed you, it's the same. Eat your breakfast. Eat your breakfast. What the hell? What is this?
That didn't trick me.
Good job, Chucky. Good job. Ah! Okay! Why she does the things she does. She goes, gets frozen fish out of the freezer and says, stick it in my shirt.
It's funny.
To who?
Me.
Well, I mean,
Your facial expressions and screaming are hilarious.
I don't scream.
Scream.
I don't scream.
And that's why people torture people.
I start getting tortured now. Well, guys, it's nice knowing you. I'm going to be locked to a room in the basement, shackled to the wall, and have to eat rats, and get my toenails and fingernails pulled out with pliers. Like a freak.
No, you put skewers underneath your nails.
What the? She's got to stop watching. She watches too much Netflix.
I don't watch Netflix. I watch Hulu.
You watch Netflix too.
No, Hulu.
Well, you got to stop watching these shows.
You're a Netflix person.
I am. I do like my Netflix. Oh, yeah, that reminds me. Okay, enough with the tickles. That reminds me. On Hulu, we started watching a series, Wayward Pines. First episode, kind of tough to try to get into the first episode. It's but towards the end, it started making sense a little bit, and it got a little interesting. So I think we'll give us episode number 2 a shot sometime and see how that goes. And then maybe it'll be a good series. I don't know. Like I said. Like I said, episode 1 was better as you kind of got into it, but we'll see.
I don't know if it was a good show or not. It's kind of weird. It reminds me of like X-Files.
A little bit. No, it's, well, sort of. But it's not alien related. It's all just government related stuff. Alrighty. Breakfast time, coffee time. See you in the next clip.
No coffee.
For me, I'm having coffee.
Hey, you got a whole bunch of coffee.
She ran out of coffee. So, life sucks for her. We're having a smorgasbord of breakfast. Doing poached eggs. And I'm doing pancakes.
The chainsaw?
Okay. Leather things. I don't know color.
Jason or something? No, he has a machete. I don't know what it was.
Yeah. So, I just spent the last 45 minutes trying to start my stupid POS chainsaw. I don't know what's wrong with it. Like a month ago, fired right up. Today, nothing. I pulled on that. I'm literally covered in sweat trying to start a chainsaw. I'm a little miffed right now. I'm a little, as if you can't tell, I'm a little irked. 45 minutes trying to start a chainsaw. Maybe not quite 45 minutes, but it's been a while. I need to get this tree trimmed. It's just throwing off my whole day. Irritating. Irritating. Wanna go for a walk? Wanna go for a walk?
Hey! Do not.
You wanna go for a walk?
This is gonna hurt. You realize this, right? And I'm hiding.
Are we going for a walk? Let's go. For a walk. Oh, you wanna go? Let's go. Okay.
Hey! Do not. You're making her freaking lose her mind.
Okay. Let's go for a walk.
Hey, no, she's gonna kill your dog. No. Okay. Just relax. Just relax. Just relax, okay? You're doing it first. Okay. Hey. Okay, let's just chill out. Everybody chill out.
Get up.
Okay. No. Oh, dear. Okay, so we gave up on the chainsaw, and I was very pissed about it, but I got over it. I went and showered because I literally worked up a sweat trying to. I was sweating like crazy trying to start that chainsaw. It wasn't gonna happen. I don't know what's wrong with it. I might need a new spark plug or something. I'm gonna sort it all out sometime maybe, and we'll get that branch cut down eventually. I mean, it's not really a problem yet. Eventually, we'll get the branch cut down. Yes, daughter. Very, very nice. Now do mine.
Okay.
I'm just kidding. So, yeah. So the tree's not getting, or the branches aren't getting cut off today. We'll sort it out. But all I was doing was getting angry at the chainsaw and just getting angry in general. And it was time to just be done. Just stop, be done. And now I think we'll go on a golf cart cruise because this critter is crazy. As you've seen, she's crazy. So we're gonna hook her to the green machine and go on a cruise so we can all just relax. Ain't that right, wife?
You are the one. I should have said that to you. When you were struggling so hard, I said, honey,
Just
relax.
You should have, cause.
I'm going to this night. You're gonna get mad. I'm gonna record you getting mad.
Oh man, don't record me getting mad. That'd be embarrassing.
Yeah, I'll record it and post it. It'll go viral.
It probably would, cause I'm just a big baby when it comes to that crap.
Huh?
I was telling him I'm just a big baby. Alrighty,
Here,
I gotta-
shoes on, let's go.
I gotta go get my shoes on, and well, my socks first, and then my shoes. Not my shoes and then my socks, cause that'd be weird. So, ooh, it's dark. Alrighty, I'm gonna get my shoes and socks on. I'm gonna get on the green machine. I'll see you guys in the next clip. Bye. just talked to my dad about my chainsaw, and he told me I was trying to start it wrong. So, I'm a chainsaw noob. I know nothing about a chainsaw. I've probably only used one maybe twice in my whole entire life. So I'm a complete chainsaw noob. So I guess I was pushing the choke in instead of pulling it out. I had that in reverse. So he says, pull the choke out and pull it a few times, push choke in and fire it up. I was doing that in reverse. So I definitely flooded it. That's why it wasn't starting, because I'm chainsaw impaired.
Can't be good at everything.
That's right, because I'm good at almost everything.
Right. So you don't know much about chainsaws.
I'm not good at almost everything. Anyway, it is monster time. We have dropped the beast off, and we're going to get some monsters. And it's getting muggy out here.
It is.
And the crazy thing is in 2 days, well, in 1 day, oh my gosh, guys, Friday, Saturday, we're almost to Comic-Con. 2 days, and in 2 days, the temperature's supposed to go just drop. It's crazy. It is crazy. It's Illinois. Our temperature goes from 99 to like 75.
Yeah.
Like our temperatures, our weather in Illinois is just insane. But anyway, it is monster time. So, and I've learned something about a chainsaw, well, about this particular chainsaw anyway. So, all in all, it's a good day, especially once I get my monster. Big truck. Thanks.
You ready for the big food?
Me too. It is lunchtime, regardless of what my daughter says.
That's gross.
What? I'm having some tuna. I'm gonna mix it in with my ramen. That's not gross.
That's disgusting.
Why?
It's
What's the difference?
Chicken flavored ramen with tuna.
What's the difference than mixing tuna in with mac and cheese?
Because Dad.
Daughter.
It's because it tastes good.
Maybe this will taste good.
No.
I don't know. I've never had it
tastes
before.
good.
But
I know what I'm having.
I wanted something simple, so I'll put you guys right there. I'm having ramen with tuna.
Now they can't see my beautiful face. Oh!
Hey,
I'm
dogs.
having
Dogs, can we
a
just...
homeless man's pizza.
Yeah, what?
A homeless man's pizza.
What's that?
Pizza.
A homeless man's pizza.
Yeah.
You would take a pizza from a homeless man? What kind of person are you?
No, you know what it is.
Is that where you put ketchup on bread and cheese with some garlic salt?
Not garlic salt.
That tastes good.
I'm not having
Anyway.
that. I'm having a tuna melt. Oh!
Get out of my way. It's...
Shove you into that
Whose
fire.
show is this?
Hmm?
Whose show is this anyway? Huh. She says it's hers. This
Get
is
out of the
actually
way.
a Thule family show. This doesn't. It's called the Steve Thule channel, but it's actually the Thule family show because we love each other. Mwah.
Yeah,
We love
very
each other so much.
much.
Mwah.
Ow!
All right, great. Oh God. Okay.
That's how we show our love.
We beat each other.
Yeah. Move,
Alrighty.
gun dog.
I'm working on lunch, and then I'm working on
You're gonna
slapping my kid
My
around.
hair up.
Don't want to mess their hair up. Do not watch out for my luscious locks.
Your hair is ugly.
Hey, it's not the prettiest hair in the world, but it's my hair and I like it.
Are you starting the weekend vlog today?
No, that's tomorrow. And you guys make sure you stay tuned for the weekend vlog Monday because we got all sorts of stuff going on. We've got Demolition Derby, we've got Comic-Con, we've got the fair. Riding rides and first person perspective of us riding rides. It's going to be a good time. Don't miss it. Alrighty guys, I'm going to get on this lunch. I will see you
In the next clip. Bye.
Here it is. Ramen and tuna. It's going to be good. Let's try a first taste. Get over here in some better lighting. First taste of ramen and tuna. It's a big bite too. Cheers. They're good. I mean, I really didn't expect it not to be good. It's noodles and tuna. Done that many
Chicken
times.
flavored noodles.
I think it's delicious. That's my lunch. See you in the next clip.
What am I gonna have?
Same thing.
No.
Oh.
I'm fine in this position, but then when I go to straighten up my back, I can't. Love you.
Bye. Love you too. I'll be back. This chick had to go to the supermarket and get a donut. She thought it was very necessary that she got a donut.
For lunch.
Alrighty guys, I am going to end the vlog right now. Right here on this golf cart. I am ending the vlog. After I turn this corner. So, Emily's gonna enjoy her chocolate Long John donut. Ooh, hold on. We gotta get around this car. Alright, we're good. Hold on. I need to pull over and focus. Give me a second. I gotta find some place I can go focus. Because I can't focus, look at traffic, smell a chocolate donut, and function. I can't function. So 1 second. Give me a minute. Just watch Emily eat her donut for a minute.
Okay.
Okay, pull over right here. All right, and it's kind of quiet now. Anyway, guys, I'm going to end the vlog right here today. Thank you guys so much for watching this episode of
Like, subscribe, and share.
my daily vlog. Do what she said. And stay tuned, guys. You got to stay tuned for Monday and possibly Tuesday. I'm going to put out my Comic-Con video. But stay tuned for Monday for the weekend vlog because we got so much going on this weekend. Should be a good one. Should be a long one. Probably going to be a long one. So I apologize for that. But it's going to be a good one. Full of all sorts of action and adventure and epic Godzilla crash in February type of stuff. Not really. But it will be full of all sorts of fun and games and shenanigans and Comic-Con and fair rides and first-person views of fair rides. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this episode of my daily vlogs. I will see you guys Monday in the weekend vlog. Bye!